Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today now? Look, guys, gold has gone up, everything is going up, and life is fantastic. People on Twitter were panicking, people were selling their positions, people saying it's over. Yeah, some people were memeing, but it's like, yo, some of you just need to actually genuinely relax, okay? Just relax. Because the reality is, if we started to close Bitcoin at $61,000 and start trading below it, right? If we got a weekly close below the $61,000, um, that would not look very, very good. Now, currently, we're not sitting far, too far from it, uh, but there's a lot of context, right? I said June is pretty much the last month for the 3 month candle. And when we look at the 3 month candle, it is looking absolutely beautiful based off, retesting these highs. Once again, I'll say it, where we're at with Bitcoin is pretty much around this area, right? We are looking to be breaking up over the next couple months. And yes, it is trading a little bit different, okay? I won't lie to you. However, that's okay. In terms of market structure, everything looks fine at this current moment, okay? Yeah, it's not the most prettiest, but if you think about it, we are pretty much consolidating and we're going to be looking for a breakout. Now, if something does happen where we break down and we start trading below for like 1 or 2 weeks, that is a big red flag. And that means something has changed with Bitcoin. And there may be like another like little mini cycle BS before we go up officially, which would be super, super annoying in one way. But then at the same time, you would have more opportunities to be stacking positions over the next few months. Now, personally, I'd rather just get this roller coaster over with and just cash out my damn money, okay? If I'm being honest. However, right, you can't always get what you want, but in a way, we kind of did. Because remember, like I said in the last video, we were expecting Bitcoin to at least hit this area. We smashed below it, we smashed below this low, we went into this order block, and now we are rejecting very, very well, right? Even if we look at the candles, the context, we've never had Bitcoin have like a very big and like healthy pullback already and like a rejection compared to this area. You can tell from this area down here to here, we covered 6%. If we look at the other areas, we recovered 3%. I mean, like, this is very sloppy and bad, like maximum 3%. This one is decent, right? This one's 6%, but we were all the way up here. That's the difference. That was before the big slam down. Now, I will say we could mark this up. I do see a little like channel, right? We could do something like this. We could do something like this. But overall, I think we're going to be taking out, we're going to be going a little bit lower. We might probably go back in this order block area around 60,000 one more time, which I'm actually going to be looking to place a live trade, something like this, or something like this. And I'm going to be looking to be taking out these highs over the next couple of days / weeks. And yeah, it looks pretty good. Altcoins have recovered pretty well. Like I said, Render is up 15%. We talked about Turbo. Turbo is down a little bit right now, but overall, Turbo is looking extremely healthy. 81%, guys. Holy, if you miss the few Turbo videos I made where I said this is the key area to buy, you missed out on a 81 or like 92% move. Currently, it's up 46%. So we could actually see Bitcoin was down another 2K. We could see Turbo around this area. Well, it could go down to possibly another 9 to max 18%. I don't see it going further than that. Like I said, if it does, then some red flags overall. Solana looking beautiful. Solana's off this order block. Myro is looking good. Myro is recovering, right? And it's just looking, everything is just looking good, okay? PNG, we always say the critical area is where? The 36-cent mark. Yeah, sometimes there's been 2 days already where we closed below, but every time we've recovered, okay? That is the thing, because a daily close below somewhere is a little scary, but it's not as impactful as the weekly. Now, obviously, it scales up to the monthly, but at that point, if you need more and more confirmation, um, the worse position you're going to be in to get profit. So everything is looking good, right? We recovered $4,000 from here, right? 4,000 American dollars. No need to panic unless Bitcoin starts closing below $61,000 for multiple days, which turns into a weekly candle. Then I'd be genuinely worried. But until now, right? Until now, you have a great chance to be buying, right? I know I'm repeating myself, but I'm gonna say this multiple times just in case. Gotta make some documentary in the future or someone comes across this channel, right? This is it. This is the moment where we're gonna pull back just a little bit before we start expanding out. I said this all makes sense. Candlesticks, it's not gambling. Okay, the charts speak to me. I swear they do. And everything makes sense once you know it, once you know the context. And everything is looking good, right? This is the altcoins, excluding the top 10 for market cap. And look, guys, this is the most important thing for us. Okay, we have a support type here. We pretty much have an order block, and look at that, taps into the monthly, which is also like support. Looks good on the 2-week, looks good on the weekly. We're recovering pretty well. If we look here, we pretty much have a double bottom. Maybe shows more. I mean, the closing is what matters. The closing is good. 20-hour, 16-hour, 12-hour. Like, it overall looks pretty good. Okay, the details are in the candlesticks, and yeah, guys, no need to worry. No need to worry. The moon is coming soon, and I'll make an update video probably in about a week or two, unless something drastic happens, because I know I just made one recently. But this is just more confirmation that we are going to the moon.